Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to clear Facebook history. Before you get started, please subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app. After that, go to menu, then tap add gear to open up settings. And on settings we need to look for activity log. Then we can scroll down and check different type of your activities. If you want to unlike some post, you can tap add interactions, and then you can in like interactions find all the posts you have to ever liked on Facebook. And then you can hit the three dots, then hit add view, and then remove like. Also from here you can remove your old comments and all these other different type of interactions. And if you want to remove your search history or watch history, you need to go to log actions and other activity. That's where we can find search history, videos you have to watched, and videos you have searched for, and of course that different type of activities. If you go to search history, we can easily remove any of our searches in that way one by one, or you can stop at clear search for remove all of them at once. That's basically how you can clear your Facebook history. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.